Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the files you want in one accessible folder and confirming formats like MP3 or AAC. Once that's done, open Apple Music on Mac or iTunes on Windows and sign in. Make sure Sync Library is enabled only if you want your files uploaded to iCloud. Now drag the folder into the app or use File Add to Library to import. This action copies references into Apple Music, so the app can read metadata and show tracks in your library instantly. Once imported, you organize and correct metadata so searches and playlists behave predictably. You select one or multiple tracks and choose Get Info to set artist, album, genre, and track numbers. This matters because Apple Music sorts by those fields. Next, make playlists manually or build smart playlists that auto-populate by rules like genre or year. If you need physical copies consolidated, use the Consolidate Files option or Show in Finder to ensure the app points to the right originals and to resolve duplicate references. To finish, sync your library to devices or enable Sync Library so those local tracks appear on your iPhone or iPad. Alternatively, use USB or Wi-Fi sync. Make sure to tap the Download Cloud icon to store songs offline. If playback fails, check the file format and re-encode to a supported type. If tracks don't show up, restart the app, re-import the affected files, and verify Sync Library is toggled correctly. One troubleshooting tip: recheck file permissions and path names. Broken links often block visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.